Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix Google Maps not talking on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap the search bar at the top and type Google Maps. Once Google Maps appears in the search results, tap it to open the app's settings. Now tap Location to manage Google Maps location permissions. Select while using the app or widgets and make sure precise location is enabled. This helps Google Maps provide accurate navigation and voice guidance. Next, return to the previous screen and open Notifications. Check that notifications are turned on so Google Maps can deliver navigation alerts and voice-related prompts without interruption. If Google Maps is still not speaking after changing these settings, restart your iPhone. A quick restart can refresh the system and resolve temporary issues that may be affecting voice navigation. And that's how you can fix Google Maps if it's not giving voice directions on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple Google Maps tutorials.